गोव्यातील खाण व्यवसाय 15 मार्च नंतर पूर्णपणे बंद करण्याचा आदेश सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाने दिल्याने खाण अवलंबितांबरोबरच राजकीय नेत्यांमध्येही प्रचंड अस्वस्थता निर्माण झाली आहे। 15 मार्च नंतर खाणी बंद होणार की चालू राहणार आणि बंद झाल्यास खाण अवलंबितांचा प्रश्न कसा सोडवणार यावर सर्वजण संभ्रमावस्थेत आहेत। याशिवाय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हे देखील रुग्णालयात उपचार घेत असल्याने चिंतेत अधिकच भर पडली आहे। या प्रश्नावर सरकार पक्षातील कोणीच भाष्य करण्यास पुढे येईना। यावर उपसभापती मायकल लोबो यांनी शुक्रवारी पत्रकार परिषद घेऊन मनातील अस्वस्थता व्यक्त केली। खाण प्रश्न सोडवण्यासाठी दिल्लीत शिष्टमंडळ नेण्याऐवजी सरकारने केंद्रातील संबंधित मंत्र्यांना बोलावून घटक पक्षांसोबत बैठक घ्यावी आणि खाण अवलंबितांना ठोस आश्वासन देऊन सर्वांची चिंता दूर करावी अशी सूचना यावेळी लोबो यांनी केली। त्याचबरोबर केंद्रीय मंत्र्यांना बोलवण्यापूर्वी राज्यातील सर्व पक्षांची एक बैठक बोलावून त्यांच्या सूचना घ्याव्यात, त्यानंतर मंत्रिमंडळ बैठक घेऊन धोरण निश्चित करावे अशी सूचनाही लोबो यांनी केली।
I strongly feel that all party, that is political parties which are there in Goa and in this government, should sit together and come out with a proposal which should be given to the three council of ministers which is formed by the chief minister, and thereafter a cabinet decision has to be taken, and the party, that is BJP party which is ruling at the center, should be immediately informed and called to Goa, and a meeting to be held should be held with all the coalition partners along with their party presidents and secretaries and the ministers and MLAs to come out with a solution, that is after 15th what are we going to do about all the people who will be affected by this mining ban directly and indirectly. जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करताले तेन्ना दिल्लीसून गोंया येयले, आमचे बीजेपीचे लिडर दिल्लीसून गोंया येयले। हांव मागता की ऑल पार्टी कोलिशन आमचे जे मेंबर्स आहा, पार्टीचे लिडर आहा, पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट, जनरल सेक्रेटरी, हेणी सगळ्यांनी बसपाचें आनी तेणी हेचेर भासाभास करपाची गरज आयज। 15 तारखे उपरांत तो पॅनीक बटन जातलो न्हू, सगळे जाणांक जॉब आसचे ना भासाभास करपा चीफ मिनिस्टर ना न्हू आमचो। सो आतां जे चीफ मिनिस्टरान अपॉयंट केल्या 3 मिनिस्टर्स इन द कॅबिनेट who will take a decision, but before they take a decision the all party members should sit and take a decision and tell them, take a cabinet, inform the CM also about this, and they should call our party leaders to Goa and tell the first hand information what is going to happen, what will be the problem of the economy. Somebody has to bail the cat. Earlier Manohar Parrikar was there, so now he was there, now he is in the hospital. He must be phoning the center from there or whatever it is. We want him to do that, we want him to come back, there is no doubt about it. But what I am saying is this thing has to happen immediately, because after 15th if people do not know what is happening, there will be chaos. We do not want chaos to happen. All the party heads and the MLAs and the ministers should sit first and discuss which is the next line of action we should take when the mining ban will start on 15th. Because people will ask, what about my stomach? Because there are people who are living on that money only. So there are a lot of people, direct and indirect employment will be around a lakh of people, direct and indirect. direct working for the mining company, and indirect are all these people who are related after that. There are so many of them, right from there till MPT. MPT gives salaries to the people. I think most of the money also comes from the mining companies who pays them to load and unload, which they only do, but their space is being used.
Actually, you're not specifically saying that mining should be renewed. You're not saying whether it should be renewed or...
See, I am not saying anything. I am saying